Good morning, all students. In the last video, we have seen how to change a sentence into negative sentence. Okay, affirmative and negative sentence. That chapter we are learning now. Okay, so we will continue to learn that. We will complete it. So, in the first video, we have seen that how to the what are the rules to change a sentence into negative sentence. Okay, we have to use the negative words like no, not, never, nobody, okay, nothing, and all these words we have to use. So we have seen those rules in the earlier video. Now we will continue, we will look further of it. Okay, so now what how to change imperative sentences into negative sentence. Imperative sentences means some order or some command is given in that in those sentences. Okay, so like these some examples are here. Call her in. Okay, this is the imperative sentence. So what we will do, we use don't, okay, at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, like this. So if the imperative sentence has the word please in the at the beginning, don't or do not is placed next to the word please. Means after please we use don't. If there is please in the sentence. Okay. So call her in, don't call her in. Shut the door, do not shut the door. Wait for me, don't wait for me. Okay, please go there. Please don't go there. Means here we have used don't after the word please. Okay, and here are some miscellaneous, means other than these rules some sentences are there and we have to change them into negative like these. Okay, see some examples. These are other than the rules we have learned. Okay, somebody has done it, nobody has done it. What we have used here, in place of somebody, nobody is used here. Okay, I have to say something and I have to say nothing. Okay, so nothing we have used here. Anybody can do it, nobody can do it. See, uh, what are the options of these words? Okay, alternatives. Okay, somebody, in place of somebody we have used nobody. In place of anybody we have used nobody. In place of something we are using nothing. Okay, she is fit for the post, and here we are using the opposite word. Okay, she is not fit for the post, it is also correct. Okay, but here it is written she is unfit for the post. Okay, uh, he always helps the poor, he never helps the poor. Means what is opposite of always? Never. So never is a negative word, the sentence has become negative. Okay, either you or I have done this work. So what we have used, neither you nor I, okay, have done this work. So either or, what we have used in place of either or, neither nor. Okay, uh, I do not know either Ram or Sham. I know neither Ram nor Sham. Means do not is, see here one thing to be noticed here. So we don't have to use do not here in the sentence, negative sentence, because we are using neither nor. So we don't need to add don't there. Okay, understood? So ninth sentence here, he can read or write. He can neither read nor write. Okay, neither nor is itself a negative word, and if there are options in the sentence we use them. Okay, he can neither read nor write, means he cannot read also and he cannot write also. Okay, I cannot bear your expenses any longer. So what is the negative of it? I can bear your expenses no longer. So I can bear. Cannot is used in the affirmative, but here not is not used. The word not is not here. Here only can is used. You can see here only can is used here. Okay. So I can be, why can is used? Why not is not is not there? Not is not used. Why? Because no is used in the sentence. So there's no need to add not again. Okay. I can bear your expenses no longer. So itself the sentence has become negative sentences. Okay. So some note is given here. I am in a negative sentence, only one negative is used. Okay, two negatives make a sentence affirmative. Okay, so for example, he is unable to come is a negative sentence. But if we use not, so what he it becomes the unable, he is unable to come, he is not able to come, it becomes negative. Okay, he is not unable to come means he is able to come. Okay, so if we are using double negative, the sentence becomes affirmative. Okay, the meaning wise it becomes affirmative. He is not unable means he is able. Okay, you understood? Okay, so no need to add two negative words. Okay, two negative words we don't have to use there, only one is enough. Okay, so exercises here we will solve them. Okay, the sun rose at 6 o'clock. So what we will use, the main verb is in past tense here. Okay, rose is past tense of rise. Yes, rise, rose, risen. Okay, the sun rose means it is in the past tense. The sentence is in the simple past tense. So what we will use? We will use didn't. Okay, so I have told you earlier also, if the sentence is in the present tense, we will use do not or does not. And the sentence is in the past tense, so we will use did not. Okay. And if the sentence is in the future tense, we will use will or won't or shall not. Okay. So that will come. Okay. The sun rose at 6 o'clock. The sun didn't rise at 6 o'clock. What changes I have made here? Okay, what changes we have to make here? I have written didn't here, and I have made the first form of the main verb. Okay, understood? I have written rise here, not rose. Why? Because I have used did in the uh, sentence. So there is no need to write the past tense of the verb. Okay, the sun didn't rise. Okay, it is enough. So we have to write the original form of the verb. Okay, rise, which is rise. Priya is reading a book. Priya isn't reading a book. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, so then it will be very hot there. It won't be very hot there. Why won't? Because we have added not to will. Will not becomes won't. Okay, short form of or contraction of will not is won't. Like do not becomes don't. Okay, did not becomes didn't, are not aren't. So like that, will not becomes won't. Okay, so he can do he can do anything. So what will become here? He can do nothing. Okay, nothing is used in place of anything. Okay, any one of you should go there. None of you should go there. No one. Okay, none of you should go there. None of you means no one of you, like that. Okay, so in place of anyone we have used none. Let them go, don't let them go. You can read it easily, you can't read it easily. Okay, we are making just, this is very easy. Okay, children, so just understand how we are changing it into negative. So you will be able to do it also. Okay, so she is able to do this work, she isn't able to do this work, or we can say she is unable to do this work. Okay, so no need to add two negative words. Okay, so it will become positive then or affirmative then. Okay, then you have done your duty, you haven't done your duty. Stand up, don't stand up, because it is imperative sentence. Okay, don't take this medicine if you have fever, don't take this medicines if you have fever. That jar has some biscuits in it. That jar doesn't have any biscuits in. Why any is used here? Because when we are writing a negative sentence, some is not used. Okay. In the affirmative, some is used. But when we are changing it into negative, we have to use any, because we are expressing a negative meaning na. There is no any. Okay, that jar doesn't have any biscuits in it. Anybody can do it. Nobody can take, anybody can take this. What will become? Nobody can take this. Shivani is sure of her success. Shivani isn't sure. Okay, it is very easy. They should have come here. They should not have come here. Okay, they were ready for the examinations. They weren't ready. Okay, like this. The principal will be in his office at 10 a.m. So what it will become? The principal won't be in his office. Will not becomes won't. Okay, you know that. So this well is very deep. This well isn't very deep. Okay, the thief had a pistol with him. The thief didn't have. So what I have changed here? Okay, here the main verb is in the past tense, so we are using did, and no need to write the past tense of the main verb. Okay, you know that, you understood now. So we have written have, which is the first form of the verb. Have, had. Okay, someone has called you, no one has called you. Okay, like this we have to do. Okay, like this we have to change the sentences into negative sentences. Okay, now what you will do? You change these exercise 2, change these sentences into negative sentences. This is homework for you. Do this, change this into negative and show me. Okay, if you have any problems you can ask me. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Okay children, bye.